Good evening, everyone. First of all, it's great to actually did investment forum, and we have symbolic connection. Everyone have to understand the reason of this senseless war. This war starting Putin because he want to put us back to Soviet Empire, to Soviet Union. Soviet Empire. We don't want back. We look in the future. And our future is to be the part of European family. Is Putin never accept our wish. And we fighting for our future to build democratic European modern country, modern Ukraine. And very symbolic, Brussels have some status because all European Parliament, the whole European institution right now in Brussels, we can call Brussels capital of European family, of European Union, and also right now capital of Ukraine make investment forum in capital of European Union. It's a very symbolic point, and that's why I want to say thank you very much for so many energy what put Philip to help to organize this forum in your hometown. And it's very important to present Ukraine. It's very important to help Ukraine. It's very important to talking about our future. I talking about our family, European family. We actually, Ukrainian is we European, we geographically, we European. With our mentality, we are European. We're European with our history, we European, but it's very important to implement European standards of life. It's our main goal, and we see the great result of another our neighbors, East. The country who was in East Europe, who was actually in the part in Soviet Empire. I'm talking about the Poland, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary. They make huge progress. They already the part of European Union, and we see how good developed infrastructure, about the standards of life, about rule of law, and our main goal, we want to following this great example and to be the part of European family, and we fighting for that. It's very important to be. I have a plan to be today in Brussels, but I hope it's everyone understand the reason. In last days I canceled my plans because it's huge risk today. Maybe tomorrow we receive a lot of information from different sources. It can be next rocket attack in Ukraine from Russia, and it's very important to be here with our citizens. It's very important to help immediately to take the challenges. We are responsible for safety. We're responsible for lives of millions, and that's why I take very difficult decision, because we so much prepared and want to be in Brussels today, but sorry, I stay in Kiev, and I hope everyone understands the reason. Current situation in Kiev, difficult. We have problems with our infrastructure, with electricity, and right now we have a deficit more than 50% in our hometown. Is mean health of population. more than 1.5 million people right now without electricity in darkness. We do it everything what we can to fix, to give the services to the people. It's nothing work if you doesn't have electricity. No conditions, no elevators doesn't work. It's nothing in the home. We're so close connected to electricity, and it's right now no services. We're fighting to fix that, and also at the same time to prepare to defend our country from sorry. From the next Russian attack. Actually, we're fighting to survive, fighting to win this war. The Russian Federation doesn't have success in the battlefield, and right now they try to destroy the normal life of our citizens. But we are strong, and if I can explain the day, is every day, from morning to evening, a lot of challenges, a lot of needs, and very important to give the feeling to every one of our citizens, they is not alone, they need the help, and we are responsible for services, we're responsible for safety, we're responsible for lives of the people, and that's why it's not easy work, but I don't want to complain. I just explain. It's a big challenge, but no fight, no win. That's why we take this challenge. We're fighting for our future of Ukraine. It's a part of the of our to implement our dream. We will be the part of European family. I'm more than sure, and today's investment forum, it's very important symbolic signal for our friends. And one more time, thank you very much, Philip, for your courage, for everything what are you doing for our hometown, the capital of Ukraine, for our country. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and I think that all of us understand very well the difficult choice you had to make to stay in Kiev. I think that anybody would have taken the same decision to stay close to your citizens and to provide services. You rightly said, you are Europeans, your path towards the European Union is now open, and you know that you can count not only on the institutional support, but also on the support of the populations in Brussels, in Belgium, but in Europe, in the European Union to accompany you in this journey and having you in family, as you said. But you also pointed at the immediate challenges, if I can mention some, electricity, energy.
So, wow. So you can see it's a really interesting time to be in Europe. Here in Brussels at the annual Kiev Investment Summit, which they held in Brussels this year on invitation of the Brussels mayor. And I'm here because with Global Venture Forum and Grow with AI and Deep Tech over the last 10 years, as we've gathered together US, European industry transformation leaders and startups, as well as their investors, we really want to try this year to find ways to dovetail a bit the needs around quality of life, so health, energy, infrastructure, other things that we all, of course, take for granted, food, health, shelter, the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. And hopefully what we can do this coming spring is organize something which, as always, is concrete and useful to solving challenges industry's facing, but we really want to try to incorporate some of the challenges we're seeing faced in Ukraine and that also imply challenges in other parts of the world. So really happy to be here. Thanks to everyone for organizing this really interesting gathering here in Brussels.